All right, let's try this. This is like take 7, okay? Little coaching. We're going to actually do this, okay? You ready? Now, we're talking about, are you ready, Rana?
No, sir.
Well, then what are you doing? Taking a break? Come on, dude, let's do it. Let's do it. I want to see sweat, okay? Sweat on your brow. So we're doing sexual reproduction. Let's look at these words. Sexual reproduction. We have, sexual reproduction is what? When two haploid cells come together to form two haploid cells come together to form a diploid cell. And what's that diploid cell called? A zygote. Where is it? Zygote, which is a multicellular organism. Right here, it's a multicellular organism. The zygote will sort of start to break up, okay, and do kinds of weird things, right? Yes, the zygote will, and you're going to have whatever organism is being made. You're going to have the multicellular organism, and then the cells will start to differentiate and specialize for various tissue groups, etc. Now, the genetic code is passed on. You can take half the genetic code from the sperm, half from the egg. These are gametes, right?
Yes.
Gametes are
Sex cells.
the sex cells. They're specialized sex cells. Don't we have specialized sex cells somewhere? Yes, specialized sex cells are called the egg and the sperm. They're called gametes. And
Female sex cells are called eggs.
female sex cells are called eggs. And then the sperm is the male. And it undergoes, they mate, they fertilize. And then what happens? You get fertilization. You get a new organism. The genetic code is passed on. The zygote is the result of the fertilized egg. And then it goes crazy. Then it starts to differentiate.
Stages.
You know, just the more cells you get, then you start to do differentiation. What else do we got? Is that it? Are we done? What's meiosis?
Meiosis is the process which gametes are formed.
Meiosis is the process in which gametes are formed. Good. What else? What's this? What's this eukaryotic and prokaryotic? What's that? Eukaryotic cells.
It occurs among the multicellular organisms and prokaryotic.
This is eukaryotic cells are from multicellular organisms? Is that what you said? Is that true? What about prokaryotic?
It is just from one
Unicellular.
unicellular.
Unicellular organism. The cells are actually quite different between the eukaryotic and the prokaryotic. You got to look that up. That's important.
The eukaryotic cell is any organism whose cells have a cell nucleus and other organelles.
Yeah, this has the cell. The eukaryotic has a well-defined cell nucleus. Correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
And they're in multicellular organisms, right? Eukaryotic. Are we eukaryotic? Do we have eukaryotic or prokaryotic cells? What is it?
Eukaryotic.
We have eukaryotic. And what about prokaryotic? What kind of organisms are prokaryotic? What is it? I can't hear you.
Viruses.
Organisms, microorganisms.
I need an interpretation. I can't. Bacteria. Is that what you said before? God, I didn't hear that at all. Bacteria, prokaryotic. A major group of organisms would be bacteria. What else do we have? Anything else? Are we done? Is that all right? First few pages, yeah? You think? Do you understand how to do it?
Yeah.
I still think you're from Brooklyn. I think you're trying to fake the fact that you're from Dhaka. Will I ever be able to hear you speak? All right, I'll wait. I'll be patient. Okay, are we done?
So DNA
What is it?
replication, DNA replication.
Oh, conjugation.
Conjugation.
Where's conjugation? Oh, right here. What's conjugation? Do we know yet? Remember, we kind of stumbled over this.
Two cells come in contact with each other. And
No. Listen, you want to read it? Go ahead, read it. Go ahead. And I'll hear it and I'll relate it.
Two cells.
Two cells.
They come in contact with each other.
They come in contact with each other.
And they start exchanging small pieces.
And they exchange small pieces of genetic code.
Yeah.
Okay, excellent. Anything more you want to add from conjugation?
The genetic material fused together to form a new organism.
Say that again.
The genetic information fused
Genetic information is exchanged, right? And the two cells fuse. Is that correct?
So they don't reproduce.
Yes.
The two cells fuse. I'm asking you.
Conjugation is the process by which one bacterium transfers genetic material to another through direct contact.
That's it.
No, sir, that's not it. During conjugation, one bacterium serves as the donor of the genetic material and the other serves as the recipient.
Okay.
The donor bacterium carries a DNA sequence called the fertility factor or F factor.
All right. We're coughing up like fur balls or something. Can you go get a drink of water if you need to? What's the end of that?
The donor bacterium carries a DNA sequence called the fertility factor or F factor.
Okay, so you have, in the bacteria, you have two bacteria. One is the donor bacterium, and the other is the receiver. But they don't fuse to become a new.
So they just exchange.
They're just exchanging code. They're really not exchanging, are they? In other words, exchanging would be they're both giving material and receiving.
So one is just
one is giving material and the other is receiving. Is that correct?
Yes.
Are we done?
No. How does it receive?
How do they receive? What do you want to say?
How does the information be received by the donor exchange the information with the
with the receiver?
Yeah, receiver, right? So how does it receive?
How?
Yeah, how?
We'll do that next time. I want to cut this because you guys got to go to lunch, and I don't want to make it too long. Okay? Are we done?
Yes.
Have a good day.